before uniforms became standardized, before safety regulations existed, before industrial manufacturing transformed labor. There was protection, simple, practical, essential. The butcher apron is one of humanity's oldest surviving work garments. At first glance, it appears unremarkable. A sheet of fabric, a piece of leather, a barrier between a worker and the world around them. Yet for thousands of years, this simple object carried a responsibility far greater than its appearance suggests. Because clothing was never only about fashion, sometimes clothing exists to solve problems. And the butcher apron solved one of humanity's oldest problems. How do you perform difficult work while protecting the body beneath? The origins of protective aprons reach deep into ancient history. Long before industrial textiles existed, people worked with animals, fire, tools, wood, metal, and stone. Every trade created hazards, sharp blades, hot surfaces, flying debris, animal fluids, heavy labor. Workers needed protection, not full body armor, not decorative garments, just enough material to stand between danger and skin. The apron emerged as one of the simplest and most effective solutions ever created. Its design required almost no complexity. A durable material, a fastening system, coverage for the front of the body. Nothing more, nothing less. But simplicity often survives longer than complexity. The butcher apron became especially important in meat preparation. For butchers, daily work involved sharp knives, animal carcasses, blood, fat, moisture, and constant movement. Ordinary clothing deteriorated rapidly under these conditions. The apron became a sacrificial layer, a garment designed to absorb wear so that the worker could continue operating efficiently. Over time, the butcher apron became associated with professionalism. A clean apron suggested discipline. An organized workstation, a skilled craftsman, a trusted provider. Customers often judged quality before a single word was spoken. The apron became part of that judgment. It communicated competence. It communicated responsibility. It communicated experience. Materials evolved alongside human civilization. Early aprons were commonly made from thick woven fibers. Later, leather became highly valued. Leather offered durability, resistance to cuts, protection against moisture, long service life. A well-made leather apron could survive years of demanding work. In many workshops, the apron became as important as the tools themselves. Blacksmiths wore them, woodworkers wore them, cobblers wore them. Craftsmen across countless professions adopted similar protective garments. The butcher apron was never isolated to one occupation. It represented a broader principle, the principle that mastery requires preparation. Before work begins, protection must come first. Psychology also plays a role. Modern research suggests that clothing influences behavior. The garments people wear affect perception, confidence, focus, identity, professionalism. When a butcher ties an apron around the waist, a subtle transition occurs. The individual prepares mentally for a specific task. The garment signals the beginning of work. The brain responds accordingly. Attention increases, distraction decreases, role identity strengthens. The apron becomes more than fabric. It becomes a ritual. Many professions maintain similar rituals today. Doctors wear coats, chefs wear jackets, construction workers wear safety equipment. Each garment serves both practical and psychological functions. The butcher apron belongs to this tradition, a tradition where clothing helps transform intention into action. Throughout history, societies often respected skilled butchers. Providing food required expertise, precision, knowledge, consistency. The apron became connected to these values. Not because the garment itself possessed power, but because of the people who wore it. Over generations, symbolism accumulated. The butcher apron came to represent labor, responsibility, craftsmanship, service. Today, modern materials have expanded possibilities. Synthetic fibers, waterproof coatings, cut-resistant fabrics, advanced manufacturing techniques. Yet the fundamental design remains remarkably unchanged. The apron still performs the same function it performed centuries ago. Protection, efficiency, reliability. Few garments achieve such longevity. Fashion trends appear and disappear. Styles emerge and fade. But the butcher apron persists. Because utility rarely becomes obsolete. Modern restaurants continue using aprons. Artisan workshops continue using aprons. Food markets continue using aprons. Industrial facilities continue using aprons. Across continents and cultures, the garment remains familiar, recognizable, trusted. But beneath every practical function lies a deeper idea. The butcher apron reminds us that meaningful work often requires preparation. Before creation comes discipline. Before mastery comes repetition. Before success comes responsibility. The apron symbolizes the moment before effort begins. The moment when a worker prepares to engage with reality. To build, to cut, to shape, to serve, to create value through labor. And perhaps that explains why this simple garment has endured for so long. Because it represents something larger than protection. It represents readiness, a quiet commitment to difficult work, a promise made before the first task begins. The butcher apron is not a symbol of status. It is a symbol of purpose. And for thousands of years, purpose has never gone out of style. Because clothing was never just clothing. Sometimes it is the uniform of responsibility itself.